Copyright enforcement platforms versus entertainment law firms. Which one is better for digital rights protection? Most creators think that protecting digital content is as simple as filing a DMCA takedown. The surprising truth is that enforcement strategy and legal backing can dramatically impact revenue and control over intellectual property. Copyright enforcement platforms use technology to monitor, detect, and take action against unauthorized use of digital content. For example, a music artist can use a platform to track songs uploaded on streaming sites without permission, automatically issuing takedowns or licensing offers. These platforms excel in scale, speed, and automation, making it possible to protect hundreds or thousands of works simultaneously. Entertainment law firms, on the other hand, provide legal advice, contract drafting, licensing negotiation, and litigation support. They handle complex disputes, pursue infringement claims in court, and negotiate settlements or licensing deals. For instance, if a film studio discovers its copyrighted footage used without consent in a commercial, a law firm ensures legal compliance and pursues remedies, including damages. The key difference is automation and scale versus legal authority and enforcement. Platforms prevent widespread unauthorized use efficiently, while law firms provide enforceable legal solutions when automated measures aren't enough. Most successful rights holders combine both. Platforms handle daily monitoring and takedowns, while law firms manage litigation, licensing strategy, and contractual protection. The takeaway is clear: protecting digital rights isn't just about detecting infringement, it's about combining technology with legal expertise. The surprising truth is that creators who integrate enforcement platforms with entertainment law counsel maximize control, revenue, and legal protection in the digital landscape.